If you are gearing up for your ACCA exams, you're probably feeling a bit overwhelmed by the sheer number of study materials out there. You're not alone. With so many resources available, picking the right ones can be challenging. But don't worry, we are here to make it easier for you. Along with investing numerous hours in your ACCA preparation, you also need dependable study materials like guides, solved papers, and mock test books. If you are preparing through FinPlan Edu, we provide you with all necessary learning materials. However, if you're opting for self-study or any other coaching method, having reliable study resources is essential. Today, we'll walk you through the top study materials you should consider, and we'll also highlight the key factors to look out for while selecting the study resources. So, let's start with some of the best study resources available to help you prepare for the ACCA exams. Kaplan Publications. Kaplan is a well-known name in the ACCA preparation. Their study materials, including the latest edition books and revision kits, are highly recommended. The Kaplan workbook covers the knowledge, the understanding and application techniques you need for strategic papers. Plus, it features exercises, activities and skill checkpoints designed to get you exam ready. BPP Learning Media. BPP Learning Media is another excellent choice. As a ACCA approved content provider previously, their materials are reviewed thoroughly to ensure they cover the syllabus accurately. Their study textbooks and workbooks are detailed and include numerous case studies, making them ideal if you have a prior accounting experience. Although Kaplan and BPP Learning Media are no longer officially approved by ACCA, they continue to be excellent resources. Their study materials and practice exercises offer in-depth coverage and valuable insights, making them reliable tools for comprehensive ACCA exam preparation. ACCA Global Resources. Don't forget to check out ACCA's own resources. Their study guides and technical articles are valuable for understanding the exam's pattern and ensuring you understand the syllabus elements. These resources help you study and prepare for your ACCA exams, including specimen exams, past exams, mock exams, and even technical articles. ACCA Study Hub. Finally, the ACCA Study Hub is a fantastic digital resource offering free access to study materials for students worldwide. It includes online content covering the full syllabus, short quizzes to test your understanding, and practice and revision questions. As the official ACCA approved content provider, the Study Hub ensures that you are using the most accurate and up-to-date resources available. Now, choosing the right study material isn't just about picking the most popular ones. Here are some crucial factors to consider. Number 1, syllabus compatibility. First, ensure the materials are updated and aligned with the current ACCA syllabus. This ensures that what you are studying is relevant and accurate. Number 2, learning style. Consider your learning style. Do you prefer detailed text, visual aids, or interactive online courses? Choose material that fit how you learn the best. Number 3, author and publisher reputation. Opt for materials from reputable authors and publishers known for their quality ACCA content. Their reputation often reflects the quality and reliability of their materials. Number 4, exam-oriented approach. Select materials that offer practical insights into the exam format. Look for resources that include mock exams and practice questions to help you prepare effectively. Number 5, comprehensiveness. Good study materials should cover all the topics in the syllabus without being overlay or verbose. They should strike a balance between depth and brevity. Number 6, reviews and recommendations. Check out reviews and seek recommendations from fellow ACCA students or online forums. This can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of the different study materials available. In India, ACCA study materials are widely available through online platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, as well as major bookstores. You can also buy them directly from the publisher's Indian website or local distributors. For international students, digital version of study materials are often available through the publisher's website, offering a convenient option. Choosing the best study material for your ACCA exams can significantly impact your success. Look for resources that provide comprehensive coverage, clear explanation, and ample of practice questions. Whether you prefer physical books, e-books, or online courses, make sure they align with your learning style and exam needs. Supplementing your study with tutor support, online forums, and study group can also be beneficial. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and updates on your ACCA journey.